So topic 8, when patent should be filed. So filing patent is a crucial business decision. You really need to decide that whether it is good for you to file a patent. Now, why it is so? You say that I have a new idea and why I should not go ahead and patent it. So there are different considerations which we have to keep it in mind. Number one is that do I have a working prototype ready? Right? Would I be able to defend when I go for any patent application? Now there is an option for that to facilitate. Government comes out with something called provisional application, because you will argue that I'm not supposed to show it to anyone. How do I even test it? So that in that case you are supposed to go and file a provisional application. So provisional application says I have idea and I'm working on prototype, so give me some time. And in that process you will end up experimenting with different stakeholders. You may show it your innovation to other parties for the purpose of verifying the results. So that is allowed, and then you file all the details. So you can file always a provisional application. You have to also decide that whether it is beneficial for you to file a patent or not. See, for example, you have an innovation which is going to be very short-lived. Like you are the, like you have a new idea, a new product, and that product life is not going to be more than 2 or 3 years. It's better that you don't file a patent, because as soon as you file a patent, you need to share all the details. Your competitors will get access to all the drawings and everything. So you may don't want to file a patent in that case. Or suppose you have some new process which you want to use it for more than 20 years. You feel that I should not share with anyone ever. Then you protect it under trade secrets. So you need to decide. Now patent has an advantage is that you get protection. So nobody else can utilize your idea and make profit uh, at your cost for next 20 years. You get that exclusive right. Second is you you can also get, you can also sell this patent rights to somebody else. You can always license it, or you can transfer that rights and you can earn money out of it. The flip side is that if you are not done your homework properly, you can get into a long legal battle, and sometime it can become ground of blocking your product in a specific country. There's been like a lot of battle between Samsung and Apple on patent rights, and as a result Samsung was not able to introduce their new feature phone in US market for more than a year. It's a crucial time. So you also need to take a business decision whether you want to file a patent or not. So let us just recap what we learned. So as it comes up, when patent should be filed, you should be convinced that idea is worth patenting. Be sure that this idea is not infringing on somebody else's idea. You should be sure that it's your idea only. Is nobody else has patented it earlier. You have prototype which is ready to prove the working of this idea, and it has immediate commercial use. It is important business decision because it can make or break your business. It ensures your profit for successful innovation. You can have bumper profits. It also protects against unfair competition who is going to copy your idea. But flip side is that you may get drawn into long legal battles in enforcing patent rights or defending against the patent infringement. So it could become a long legal battle also. Patent application can be complete or provisional. So when patent can be filed when even if the new product or process is not fully developed or tested. Provisional application will help. It helps you to conduct limited trial without fear of losing the patent right. So that protection does exist. So with this, we complete this topic and then we go to next topic, that how patent can be filed. So let us go to our topic 9, how patent can be filed.